Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to animate text in Shotcut. So to animate text in Shotcut, here's a simple guide on how you can do it. So open your Shotcut and load your video file by dragging it to your timeline. Then click on the video in the timeline to select it. Then go to the filter tab. Then click the plus button to add a new filter and choose text, which is a sample. Or probably just input your text as anything you want or any word or anything. Then after that, enter your text in the text box and customize the font, the size, the color, the position as needed. And also in the filter panel, click the keyframe button to open the keyframe panel. Then move the playhead to the starting point in the timeline where you want the animations to begin, and adjust the position, size, or other properties, and add a keyframe by clicking the keyframe button. And after that, move the playhead to the end point in the timeline where you want the animations to end. Adjust the text to its final position, size, and other properties, and add another keyframe. And after that, fine-tune your animation. You can add additional keyframe in between the text, which is the starting and the ending point, to create more complex animation. And that's it.